me, what are you doing?
Oh, hi, I'm a YouTuber. I'm just here teaching people how to do raised bed gardens and gathering some sticks for...
I don't care who you are. This is the Green Thumb Society.
We're the local ladies' garden club. What are you doing on our turf?
Didn't you see the flag marking our territory?
Any sticks you find here go to our compost pile.
It was all just a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding my arse.
We're giving you 10 seconds to vacate this area, or we'll plant you in our compost pile for our very best prime rose bushes.
And now you know the secret of our prize-winning roses.